Hello guys, so finally the wait is over. We now know exactly how the Mi Band 7 looks and when it's gonna be released. We also know some of its specs and the expected price thanks to a recent leak. So without waiting anymore, let's get straight to it. So today the company has shared a teaser poster confirming that the Mi Band 7 will be launched on 24th of May in China, along with Redmi Note 11 T series smartphones. Based on the teaser poster, it appears that the design of the upcoming wearable will largely be the same as Mi Band 6, which shouldn't be surprising if you are a regular viewer of our channel. We showed you the findings made by Magical Unicorn in the firmware and resource files of Zepp app code. Just like previous models, the company is expected to launch a standard edition and NFC edition of Mi Band 7, which Xiaomi tends to release globally a while after the non-NFC model comes to market. Regardless, you won't see any difference in the design. If the reports are to be believed, the fitness tracker will feature a 1.56-inch AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 490 by 192 pixels. In comparison, Mi Band 6 screen size is 486 by 152 pixels. Additionally, there is always-on display functionality and multiple digital and analog watch faces. Some of the reports have also claimed that the device may include GPS, which is very good news. Then there is smart alarm and power saving mode as well. The battery could be 250 mAh, which is decent for a device that doesn't consume basically any power, so expect a long battery life. There are also lots of fitness activities as uncovered by Logger. Finally, coming to price. As per the leaks, the price of the non-NFC version of Mi Band 7 is unknown. However, the Mi Band 7 NFC version will be priced around 269 yuan, that is $40 US. But since Xiaomi's Chinese prices do not directly convert into other currencies, it's unreasonable to convert the prices. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.